Before you apply for a UK spouse visa, check this first. Most people think the first step is collecting documents. But starting too early can make you prepare the wrong evidence, waste weeks organizing paperwork you may not even need, and turn the process confusing very quickly. So before you start a UK spouse visa application, check your eligibility first. Hi, I'm Pauline, and I have a background of PhD research. And in this video, I will show you the 5 checks to confirm before you prepare anything. Eligibility check 1. Check whether you qualify under the right relationship route. Do not assume you're eligible just because you're in a relationship. The relationship requirement matters because choosing the wrong relationship route can make you prepare evidence the Home Office maybe never actually was looking for. So here are the questions to examine. Are you legally married? Are you in a recognized civil partnership? Are you applying as an unmarried partner? Skipping this step is how people end up with folders full of documents that still do not answer the exact requirement. So if you're preparing a UK spouse visa application, make sure that you go to the official website and check the eligibility requirements for yourself. Also, I put together a free UK spouse visa preparation kit that helps you ask some important questions like these and organize the main requirements and documents before you start. You can download it from the link in the description. Eligibility check 2. Now, before you spend weeks collecting bank statements and relationship evidence, make sure your partner can actually sponsor you in the first place. A surprising number of couples only discover there's a status problem after they've already invested time, money, and stress into the application. Is your partner British? Are they settled in the UK? For example, with indefinite leave to remain? Or do they have another status that allows them to sponsor you? Because if the sponsor status doesn't meet the rules, the rest of the application almost stops mattering, even if your relationship is genuine. So getting this confirmed early gives you clarity before you start preparing financial or identity or other documents that may never even be reviewed. Eligibility check 3. Check the intention requirement. Are you both planning to live together in the UK? This sounds obvious to most couples, which is exactly why people underestimate it. The whole process of application can become stressful because we tend to assume the intention requirement is automatically understood instead of properly evidenced, right? When we're clear about these requirements, then our application process can feel more coherent instead of looking like a disconnected paperwork. Eligibility check 4. Check the financial requirement. As of the current gov.uk guidance, partner applicants usually need to prove combined income of at least $29,000 a year. Now check this early because financial thresholds and exceptions can change, and using outdated figures can completely change the documents you prepare. This step is crucial because it affects the financial documents you may need, such as payslips, bank statements, employment letters, and more. Now, this is usually the point where we can start feeling like we're second-guessing every document that we're preparing and worry that we're missing something important. That's why I created the free UK spouse visa preparation kit to help you organize your preparation. You'll find the link in the description below. Eligibility check 5. Check the English language requirement early because sometimes we realize only too later that we need an approved test or an evidence that we're exempt before submitting. And we realize that we missed a key eligibility requirement. Now, these are the checks people often rush, but a clear eligibility check at the beginning can save weeks of stress later. Now, at this stage, you're not trying to complete the whole application. You're trying to understand what the Home Office expects from your specific situation before you collect documents and fill in the form. To make this easier, we've created a free UK spouse visa preparation kit. You can use it as a simple checklist while preparing your documents and evidence. The link is in the description below. So now you know what to check before you start a UK spouse visa application. Your relationship, your partner's UK status, your intention to live together, the financial requirement, and the English language requirement. But knowing the requirements is not what usually overwhelms people. It's preparing everything in a calm manner. So doing the preparation in a simple but organized order can help you feel in control. Watch this video next. I'll share with you something that you might find helpful.